In Baladev Vidyabhushan's Vedanta Sutra, he's mentioning about Bhaktavatsalya. He's discussing, it's a Vedanta Sutra, of course, it's Vedanta, Brahma Sutra. But his Govindavasya commentary, Baladev Vidyabhushan, he's describing something about Krishna, Bhaktavatsalya. This term, affectionate to his devotees, in Shastra and by acharyas, is only used to glorify Krishna, not Ramchandra, not Narayan, Vishnu, not even Ram. He's very kind, very nice. The Shabari is an Adivasi lady, and he's traveling through the Panchavati, and she was eating the fruits and offering them. There's a famous story of Shabari. So, oh, Ram is there, I want to serve him. And she is picking all these bear fruits or something. And some are ripe and some are sweet and some are, but you don't know. It's hard to tell by looking. So she's eating, oh, Ram, this is sweet. And he's taking, yes, I take. You know the story. So that's pretty affectionate towards his devotee. So you can cite that example. No, Ram's affectionate. But nowhere in Shastra is he glorified. This is a special appellation. Appellation means a name or title given to Krishna and Vrindavan, Bhaktavatsalya. So, and this is the proof how much affection Krishna has. You'll never find this with Ramachandra. I'll give you a clear example. Only Krishna is described as Bhaktavatsalya. Vatsalya means affection like a mother cow for her baby calf. Vatsa means calf. Vatsa means baby calf. So she loves him so much she wants to lick him, put him in the belly. So that affection of the mother calf is like the mother for her child. She loves so much. So Krishna is Bhaktavatsalya. He loves his devotees like a mother. There's a verse in Radharasa Sudanidhi, it says, Dasi Vatsalya. It's such a nice phrase. It says, for her kinkaris and mandris, and her maidservants, her Sakhi maidservants, Pran Sakhis, Nitya Sakhis, Rupa Mandri, and all the Sadhana Siddha Mandris. Radharani has the affection like a mother. She's taking Krishna as a Dharamrita. Radharani is eating Krishna's remnants. And then she's eating Krishna's remnants. Then Radharani tells to Vishaka and some, make sure that Brinda Devi gets some. Make sure that Brinda Devi and the Manjaris get some of my remnants. So Radharani is always like a mother. She always has affection. She's always thinking of the Manjaris. So she's being glorified. She's being glorified as Bhaktavatsalya, very affectionate. So I was saying that you may think I'm an aparadi. You were saying about yourself. You may think I'm nam aparadi, and I don't know what scope there is for me. But I said to you, write in your diary, I guarantee that Krishna will be there for you at the time of your death, at the time of leaving this body, because he's Bhaktavatsalya, and this is a special term that only Krishna has. This phrase in Sanskrit is not used to glorify any other form of God, even Ram, although he was so much affection to Shabari, Adivasi lady in the forest, but he is not glorified this way. And the proof is in the Vedanta Sutra commentary of Baladev Vidyabhushan, Govindavasya, he says, Krishna's Vatsalya is this. Then he cites a verse from the Bhagavatam that in the 10th canto of Bhagavatam, chapter 6 of the Bhagavatam, Braj Lila, it says that Krishna killed Putana and made her a Datri. It says in Sanskrit, made her a Datri. How is it a Rakshasi? A Rakshasi becomes Datri. Rakshasi becomes Datri. Rakshasi means she sucks the blood of babies. She kills the baby, sucks the blood. That's called Kechari Rakshasi. Kechari means sky. She has mystic cities. Bhumirapo nalo vayu kamano buddhi kam. So vayu, kam means ether. Very subtle. Above air is ether. But she flies through the ethers. Chari means to move. So she kills babies and sucks their blood. She's a, what do you say, vampire. The forerunner of the vampires. Oh. And she became Krishna's nurse. She has milk in her breast, in her sadhaka, in her siddha sarup. And Yashoda says, oh, here, my baby's still thirsty. She gives Gopal to Putana, and Putana, in her siddha sarup as a mother of Krishna, she holds Gopal to her breast and feeds her breast milk. This is Putana. So Baladev Vibhushan says, how is this possible? Because at the same time of killing Putana Rakshashi, Krishna gave her Vatsalya, Prem Vatsalya Rati. And you won't get Krishna's darshan at the time of death? Living your whole life in Vrindavan? And in a high birth in Bharat Bhumi? Eating prasad your whole life in so many lifetimes. How many lifetimes you're doing bhakti that have the privilege to live here?